I saw on the Tucker Carlson show in America on Fox News, where they are just comparing what Chinese people see on TikTok and what Western audiences see on TikTok. And when you see this, you can appreciate it's a perception manipulation operation.
The TikTok that Chinese residents, children in China get to see is very different from the one your kids are looking at here. Now, in China, where TikTok is known under a different name, videos like these are very common. Watch.
Legends never die. They become a part of you.
You know what American kids, your kids, are watching on TikTok? Stuff like this.
Many people might think, well, okay, well, ban TikTok then. But when you look in detail, as some people have, at the legislation to ban TikTok, it actually gives enormous new powers to the state bureaucracy, the deep state, to impose censorship on American people. So you got to watch everything, because they'll say, oh, we're doing this for this reason. Oh, yeah, ban TikTok is terrible. And they're actually doing it for quite another.